Nailing the phrase, nail it. Hello learners! Today, we'll explore a common English phrase that you might have heard or seen before. Nail it. Ever wondered what it really means? Well, let's dive in and find out. The phrase, nail it, has its roots in the physical act of hammering a nail into something, like wood. Just imagine a nail being driven perfectly into a board, firm, secure, and precise. This imagery has evolved over time into a metaphorical expression used in various contexts. When someone says they nailed it, they're expressing that they have done something perfectly or successfully. It implies confidence, satisfaction, and a job well done. For instance, if a student gets all answers right on a test, they might say, "I nailed it," to express their success. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. 1. After a great dance performance, a dancer might say, "I really nailed that routine." 2. If you bake a cake for the first time and it turns out delicious, you might exclaim, "I nailed it." 3. During a job interview, if you felt you answered all questions confidently, afterwards you might think, "I nailed the interview." Remember, nail it is positive. It doesn't mean making a mistake. It's about celebrating an achievement or recognizing perfection. So, if someone says, "You nailed it," after you've done something, take it as a compliment. And that's a wrap on Nail It. Now, the next time you hear or see this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means and can even use it yourself to express success. Keep practicing and you'll nail English in no time. Hope this video has been helpful, and see you in the next one.